Hi, today I'm for the TCL 40NXTPAPER and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail app, we should log out first from Google account on our device, and to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove account button. Confirm your action. If you use some protect methods, just enter them. I'll use my pattern. Now we could see that in Google account settings we just successfully log out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app, and we could see that we also successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.